Hey, what's up everybody, and thanks for watching my very first vlog. I'm just gonna keep it simple, gonna keep it to the point. I'm here in Japan. I've been waiting for a long time to start my vlog, so I'm starting it here in Japan. Not bad, right? Cool. It is my very first vlog. I'm here with Bash Brigade, a brand I work with. We're here in Japan. We're gonna be part of a pop-up store for the brand. Yeah, everything's looking cool. Cool so far. First day here. Yeah, hit the subscribe button and watch me on my journey. And we're back to the United States. I shot that previously, and this is a new year. I'm about to check out a project I had lined up for that didn't go quite as I wanted it to, and I forgot the keys. Let's go back inside. And I did have the keys, I just didn't take my pocket. So I'm gonna check out this project I had for the first episode that didn't go quite well. So I was hoping I could get this auction car going. I had a 2011 E90. Bought it off Copart. It looked actually like minimal damage. I could fix it easily, and I go to start it. It doesn't start. I took it to a mechanic. He told me that either it could be the starter or that it needed a new engine. So I jumped on Amazon, bought myself a starter, and the rest, I have no idea what happened because he just told me it's not the starter. So I don't even know if he changed the starter or not. He just said the engine's not turning. And I started off the video in Japan. I went to Japan hoping I could get a bunch of good footage. I could get some cool cars. I've seen some really cool cars online. Of course, I didn't go to the right part of Japan. The only cool car I did see was a Lamborghini. I just wish I would have seen the homemade do-it-yourself guys, you know, right-hand drive, Skylines, the whole bit. Nothing. Thanks for watching this first episode. So I'm about to head to the car to the BMW. My first project that was supposed to be my first project that didn't quite work out. I'm still kind of debating on getting a new engine, if it's worth it. I'm hoping that I can do something with it, but I mean, we'll see. I will be talking about the new projects later. Right now, I have this BMW to look at. And here it is in all its glory. I'm still trying to get the motor. If I can get the motor cheap enough, and it makes sense, then I'll do it. I mean, you know, it's still a nice car. It's a 2011. It's not brand new, but it's not bad. My second project is 1986 300ZX. I'm sitting in my 1986 Nissan 300ZX. Now I know it needs a lot of work to get it back on the road, but the way I got it was kind of a funny story. I saw this car because I knew I had been wanting one. I saw it on Copart on the auction website, and I bid on it. I saw it last minute because usually when I look on Copart, it's looking for a car like a last minute buy. Just see what's there. If I like something, I get it if I can. This time I was looking around and I saw this car, so it came up in the auction. I bid $200 on it, and it went up. The auction went up to $800, and I did not bid on it anymore. I thought, you know, it was worth trying to get it super cheap, but no dice, it didn't work. Lo and behold, I was looking again, like about a week or two later, and it came up again. The same exact car came up again, and the reason I found it is because I searched for it, and it came up again. So whoever bought it lost it or gave it up, didn't want it. I don't know what happened. Deal didn't go through. I saw it again. I thought maybe they don't want this car. Maybe it's a piece of crap and they don't want it. But again, if I can get it cheap, I'll pick it up. So as a placeholder, I bid 120 bucks just to hold it for me. Last time it went for 800. I knew it wasn't gonna go for 120, right? So I bid on it, and days went by and I forgot all about it. So I forgot about the auction until I get an email saying that this car sold, and I now am the proud owner of it for $120. So I don't know what happened, but it became mine for $120, and I was so freaking surprised. I was actually I was more surprised and excited because I thought, no way I would get it for that price. I mean, I didn't get it for, I think the last time I bid on it was like $500, like 550. I think that's what I bid on it, and I didn't sell. So now I'm a proud owner of this 86 Nissan. So I guess the question is, what mods do I have planned for this? What do I want to do to this car, and why should you keep watching, right? So what I'm planning on doing is kind of a weird thing. I mean, I don't know, I have these ideas in my head. I love wide bodies. I love Liberty Walk. I love all the Rocket Bunny stuff, but it just seems it's so played out. It just seems like it's like everybody's doing it and it's the easiest thing to do. So what I kind of want to do is set a goal for myself, and I want to do a wide body. And to me, a factory looking wide body would be to use a 350Z fender and a 350Z quarter panel, because the 350Zs are known for their wide look. I mean, they're just little round wide cars, and they look pretty cool. I mean, they really do look nice. The 350Zs are wide and they look good, and what I would like to do is make this 300 wide like a 350Z. So add the quarter panels and the fenders, so it looks like a factory wide body. I mean, I don't know if you've seen the M3s, the old M3s, like the 89s. I want to do this kind of with that look in mind. So it's kind of like a modernization of a classic that still looks classic. So you guys tell me, should I do that to this little car? I got it from the auction as a donated vehicle, but the way the paperwork was done, it was done improperly, so now it is a salvage title. Yeah, I know. I was trying to keep this just to restore it, make it look nice again, just make it look good again, just classically. But the fact that it got salvage title made me really want to not do it anymore. Like it did, get me down. I didn't want it to be a salvage title. I wanted it to be a clean title for the project. But since it is a salvage title, I'm thinking of doing these mods to it. Now, what do you guys think? Do you guys should I go ahead and just make it a classic, restore it, a restored salvage title, or should I put the wide body on it, the 350Z quarter panels and the fenders? All right, let me know in the comments, and in the next video I'll just talk about all the things that are wrong with this thing, because there is things wrong with it directly that I have to address before I even start fixing it. So before I start fixing it, there's things I have to do. And I'm going to address them in the next video. But for now, I wanted to talk about what I wanted to do, what my plans were. So what doesn't stay up. These shocks, okay? So that's one more thing to add to the list. So what I would like to have done is add a full roll cage to this thing, but I heard it's really dangerous, and since this car pretty much might be for my oldest son, or even a giveaway car, I don't know yet. Don't tell my son that. What I would like to have done is put a roll cage in it, but I heard it's really dangerous, and for daily drivers it's not a good option, because in case of an accident, instead of the roll cage helping you, it actually bonk your ass on the head and kill you. So I might just do like a frame back here, just to maybe add more rigidity to the frame and make it look really cool. Paint it the color of the car. So tell me what you guys think. I mean, what should I do to this thing? There's so many mods that are possible. I've seen custom LED tail lights, which would be really cool, with sequential signals, all that cool stuff. So let me know what I should do to this thing, what you think I should do. Oh, ouch. Or what you think I should do to this car, and I'll take your guys' advice. I mean, I want you guys to work along with me and give me ideas, all that stuff. So come on, let me know. Should I gut it, leave it all bare metal? Should I put new carpet in it? Should I put, just let me know what you think I should do to this thing. And in the next video, like I said, I'll be addressing everything that's wrong with this car before I can even get it on the road. Thanks for watching. And again, like and subscribe. Thank you.